My name is Chandrala Mudgalkar and I am from Maharashtra. I am a B.Tech mechanical engineer with a diverse experience of being a dedicated UPSC aspirant and exploring entrepreneurship. Currently, I am enrolled in PGDM program here at IMI New Delhi. My summer internship at SKF India was the perfect blend of my background in mechanical engineering and my master's degree. I undertook a project aimed at expanding the general machinery segment by identifying untapped markets and potential customers across various industrial regions pan-India. Using primary and secondary research methods, I identified almost 300 plus potential customers, analyzed various industrial hubs, and also identified high-value untapped market segments in the focus areas. My work included data collection, market segmentation, and bearing potential analysis to provide actionable insights for resource allocation and strategic growth. At the end of my project, I also had a meeting with the inside sales team to present my findings and discuss the implementation of the project. This internship provided me with hands-on experience in market research and sales strategies within an industrial setting. I also got to be a part of various stakeholder meetings where I understood the intricacies of sales processes in B2B landscape.